Multi-camera shoots are fun, but editing them can feel tricky. The good news is Premiere Pro lets you edit multi-camera footage extremely fast using its built-in multi-camera tools. You can edit like a live switcher and finish your cut in a fraction of the time. Let's jump right in. In this example, I'm using 2 cameras, but this works the same way for 3, 4, or even more cameras. I also have a separate audio clip with clean audio from the lav mic. First, make sure you already have a sequence created. Drag camera 1 into the timeline and place it on the bottom video track. Then drag camera 2 and place it on the track above it. Before adding the main audio, select both camera clips, right-click, and choose Synchronize. Make sure it's set to audio and click OK. Premiere Pro will process for a moment and sync both clips perfectly using their audio. Once they're synced, trim the clips so they line up and remove any extra gaps. You only need one camera's audio now, so keep camera 1's audio and delete camera 2's audio. Next, drag in your main audio clip. Position it anywhere on the timeline, then select the camera clips and the main audio, right-click and choose Synchronize again. This time, everything should line up perfectly. Trim any extra space and double-check by muting layers to confirm the sync is correct. Now that everything is synced, delete or mute the remaining camera audio so you're left with just one clean audio trap and both camera angles. Select all the synced clips, right-click and choose Nest. Name it whatever you want or leave it default. You now have a nested sequence. Right-click the nested clip, go to Multicamera and enable it. Then click the wrench icon in the program monitor, enable multi-camera, and set it to show both cameras. You'll see the active camera on one side and all camera angles on the other. To start editing, press play. As the video plays, switch cameras live. You can click directly on the camera previews or use number keys. Press 1 for camera 1, 2 for camera 2, and so on. Premiere Pro will automatically create cuts as you switch. Play through the entire clip and switch cameras in real time. When you stop, you'll see all your cuts already made in the timeline. If you want to change a shot later, click on any clip and switch it to a different camera using the program monitor. This updates the angle without affecting the rest of the edit. To time-tune your cuts, press N to activate the rolling edit tool. Drag a cut left or right to make the switch happen earlier or later. This is perfect for tightening timing without breaking sync. If there's a mistake or dead space, pause and press Q to ripple delete everything back to the previous cut. Press W to ripple delete forward to the next cut. These shortcuts make cleaning up fast and effortless. That's it. This is the fastest and easiest way to edit a multicam sequence in Premiere Pro. It saves a huge amount of time and makes multicam editing simple and efficient. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.